Welcome to day 14 of 100 Days of Automation. Today we are going to continue building our social listening system and look at how to collect data from multiple forums instead of just Bubble. So to do that, I'll just go to Bubble first, and now I'll click on my Chrome extension. So I already have my API key added for Crafter, and now I can choose how many posts I want to fetch. So you can see instead of extract Bubble forum data like yesterday, now there's only one action. So now I'll just click on run automation. So once I do that, if I go to Notion, I can see my data show up here. And now I'll go to Webflow, and here I'll click on my extension again, and then I'll click on extract forum data. I'll choose 10 posts and click on run automation. So once I do that, we can see that our Webflow data has started showing up. Now that we have our Webflow data, I'll go to Airtable, and now I'll select extract forum data and click on run automation. And again, if I go to Notion, I can see my Airtable forum data coming in. So I'll go to my Chrome extension in Glide. I'll choose extract forum data and click on run automation. Then I'll go to make. I'll click on choose action, extract forum data, click on run automation. Then I'll go to Figma, extract forum data and run automation. So with just 6 clicks, I have captured the data of 6 different forums, and I can customize how many posts I want to fetch. Now I'll go to Notion, and we can see that we have all the data from all the 6 forums in one place, and our data is ready for some analysis. I will click on filter, select name, and search for webhook. I can see there are 2 topics from webhook, one from make and one from Webflow. So I can go to the specific topic by just clicking here instead of having to go to each forum. And when you collect thousands of these topics, the automation can be very useful and save a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for part 3, and take care.